Tim, you discount Peter like to make jokes, but you know Trini people can't take joke.
Bumbleclat is true, you know?
You know, say Jamaica is the capital of the Caribbean. All I know want be like we run things. Things not run we. Let we take a vacation now. Where y'all want to go?
Let me just go Canada now.
I have a cousin living there. Wait, how we end up here? We're going to see Lock Cousin Canada. The one where I eat off everybody's food.
Boy, I can't wait to reach.
Me neither. This flight feels long.
Yeah, man. Soon land.
Then, yes, man, we reach Canada. Make sure I subscribe to Caribbean Corner on YouTube and follow on TikTok and Instagram. Stay tuned. Me hear say that Alkaline are performing at the city tonight. You know we are going there.
Let we go. Vendetta, we say.
Why the blood clot this? Something no look right about Canada.